How to connect AlgoFox Bridge with Zebu Broker Terminal. In this video, we are going to learn about how is Zebu API and how it works, how to generate token in AlgoFox Bridge using Zebu, and also we will be placing orders in the live market in Zebu terminal using our AlgoFox trading terminal. So let's start with understanding the API. So Zebu uses global level API framework. That means there is same API key and secret for everyone. And AlgoFox has already integrated this key and secret into the platform. That means as a user, you need not do anything at all. You need not find your key and secret. You just have to authorize our AlgoFox platform by going into Zebu Broker Terminal one time. So here are the steps to start algo trading with Zebu terminal. First, in our AlgoFox platform, you will have to choose Zebu as your broker terminal. Second, you will have to log in into Zebu terminal at least once in a separate window. And third, you will have to click on generate token and it will automatically turn green. So let me show you the detailed process. First, we will go to Zebu login, enter your user ID. Once you log in into the Zebu, on the right click, you will see your Zebu ID. Click on that and you will find an option called as apps. Click on the apps and you will see an option called as AlgoFox. So you will have to authorize. I have already authorized AlgoFox and that is the reason it is showing as authorized. And the moment you authorize any platform, it will ask you to revoke. If you click on revoke, then AlgoFox will no longer be able to connect with you. And if you click on authorize and click on proceed, that's it. Now AlgoFox will be able to place orders onto your Zebu terminal. So this is first time that you will have to give an authorization access. Once you give access, refresh, go back to your apps and check it is already authorized. That's it. Now you can go to AlgoFox, go to trade.algofox.in, log into your user platform, then switch to auto mode, go to trade settings, choose the broker as Zebu, and once you have chose the broker as Zebu, app, key, ID, these things does not matter. You can leave them empty as well. Just make sure you are writing the client ID and click on save changes. The moment you do this, come back to AlgoFox and just click on generate token and it will automatically be generated. That means AlgoFox is now connected with Zebu terminal. So if I go to watch list and go to my watch list and place an order, for example, if I'm placing a buy order in say AB Capital, the order is placed successfully. If I go to Zebu and check in the orders, you can see AB Capital is placed successfully. If I go to positions, I can see AB Capital 5 shares being bought and the same is also visible in net position of AlgoFox. And if I square it off from here, it will be squared off there also. So I have squared off and here also you can see it is squared off. So simple connection, no complexity. But one of the biggest disadvantages of this architecture is that if your client ID is known to anyone else who is using AlgoFox platform, and if they generate the token by putting your client ID, they will also be able to place orders. So make sure you do not share your Zebu client ID with anyone, not even our team, AlgoFox support team as well. So if you want to try out the AlgoFox platform with Zebu, you can take our free trial. You can get the complete trial free for 7 days and automate your trades. We support trading using AmiBroker, MT4, TradingView, XLVB, etc. The entire platform is web-based. We also have our mobile application to automate your trades and monitor them on the go. You can also follow profitable strategies from our marketplace as well. To know more about us, you can visit our website www.algofox.in or call us at 6361922946. Or you can write us a mail at care@algofox.in. Also, for latest update, you can also follow us on our Facebook page or on our Twitter page or even on our Instagram page.